Watch this! With just a single tap on the smart key, the 2026 BMW 55 xDrive sedan plug-in hybrid instantly comes to life. The lights illuminate, the mirrors unfold, and the car greets you with unmistakable BMW sophistication. Even before stepping inside, you can already feel the future of electrified luxury. From the very first glance, the BMW 550e xDrive commands attention. The iconic kidney grille, razor-sharp LED headlights, and sculpted hood lines give this luxury sedan a bold and sophisticated presence. From the side, the BMW 550e showcases classic executive sedan proportions. A long wheelbase, flowing shoulder lines, and elegant alloy wheels create a design that feels both athletic and luxurious. At the rear, the BMW 550e continues the elegant theme. Slim LED taillights stretch across the body, giving the sedan a refined and modern signature. Step inside and the BMW 550e reveals a cabin that feels like a digital luxury lounge. The curved BMW display seamlessly integrates the driver instruments and infotainment system into one elegant interface. Every detail inside the BMW 550e is crafted for comfort and sophistication. Premium leather seating and subtle ambient lighting transform every journey into a first-class experience. Under the hood, the BMW 550e xDrive combines a turbocharged engine with an advanced electric motor. This plug-in hybrid system delivers powerful acceleration while maintaining impressive efficiency. The BMW 550e is also packed with advanced safety technology. Intelligent driver assistance systems help monitor traffic, maintain safe distances, and support the driver on every journey. The 2026 BMW 550e xDrive sedan plug-in hybrid perfectly blends electrified performance, modern technology, and executive luxury. A true evolution of the modern luxury sedan. The 2026 BMW 550e xDrive sedan plug-in hybrid perfectly blends electrified performance, modern technology, and executive luxury. A true evolution of the modern luxury sedan.